I've learned all these codes during my class, and it's given me more knowledge on CNC machining. When I'm working on a machine, I'm just dialed in and making sure everything's right, because if you mess up a code, something can go terribly wrong. But you gotta just make sure, you know, there's you got the right tools in, you got the piece in the right spot, and all the codes are correct. I've gotten to know the older machines and now the newer machines. You could just type in an easy program and it just knows what to do automatically. You just gotta know the codes. You can do anything with them. All you gotta do is set the program, and you can make pieces for different companies, such as like bolts, blocks for like vices, which can hold certain cutting tools or pieces that you work on. You can make pretty much whatever you want. I started junior year and I got into it, and I pretty much loved it from there. And through Polaris, I got a job at Swagelok, which you know, I've been learning a lot there. I've been learning different machines and all that. So yeah, I just love it.